Hello everyone, today's discussion is about Linux installation and let's see the process how to install Linux operating system as a part of Windows operating system. For installing the Linux operating system, the first thing I'll be showing you guys is you must install Ubuntu, and I'll be making use of Ubuntu 16.04.3 LTS, that is Linux Services, as my version of downloading Ubuntu, and I have downloaded 32-bit PC, that is i386 desktop image, because mine is a non 64-bit processor, and this is the link from where I've downloaded the Ubuntu version, releases.ubuntu.com. And after downloading the image of the desktop image, we must also download the virtual box, since it is the only software from where we can create an operating system as a partition. And here we'll be selecting Windows first, since my machine is a Windows machine. And once I click this, the download begins, and I've already downloaded the Windows, the VirtualBox. And this is the link for the VirtualBox. It is www.virtualbox.org. Don't forget to include HTTP in the front. And today I've installed it as a part of Windows OS. And once the VirtualBox gets downloaded, you can see this would be the first dialog box that would be popping up, and here we must try to select new, and we must give the name for the operating system, and I'll be choosing it as Ubuntu. And once I choose, we must select the type, that is Linux, and also the version which we are using. And once we click on next, we get few options like what would be the name of your operating system, and your ID and password if you want to set up any password, and also the time zone, like if you're living in EST, it would be Eastern Standard Time, and you must select it. And it also will ask like how much memory you want to allocate for this operating system from your main operating system. And once it's all sorted, you will be getting a command from kind of screen where you must make use of the downloaded desktop image. And once that is done, the Linux operating system would be developed. And once it has been installed properly, you can see the screen. It will be like something like this, and you can see over here the Ubuntu is the operating system, which I have opened it with the help of VirtualBox. And I've just entered my pin code for this operating system, and it's loading. So it's a very easy process to do. And yep, I'm into the operating system now. Let's see if it's working properly or not. Let's try to open terminal, since we do everything with the help of terminal. And it should open the terminal. Yes, it's working properly. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be informative. This was informative, and thank you.